This is Spigen ArcPLAY Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a masterpiece built by Spigen, something unique and special for the gamers. ArcPLAY supports real dual 8K 8000Hz polling and scan rate. 8000Hz polling and scan rate helps to improve the signal processing sent to PC within 0.125 milliseconds. It's worth mentioning only ArcPLAY can measure 8000Hz of both polling and scan rate. As the name suggests, yes, Spigen ArcPLAY is a perfect companion for gamers. There are moments in gaming when a split of a second matters, and Spigen has decided to help the gamers with their newest flagship product, ArcPLAY RGB Gaming Keyboard. It is one of the fastest keyboards available on the market, and considering the price, ArcPLAY Mechanical Gaming Keyboard comes with a very good value proposition. Well, as usual, we'll start from the unboxing, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. It's good to see that Spigen has provided two different tones extra keycaps for the mostly used keys. They have also provided all the necessary tools to change the keycaps and to keep the keyboard clean. Yeah, I'm in love with these extra keycaps. I always keep changing the keycaps. Once this color, then that color, and I'm looking for a combination that I would never change. But it doesn't happen. It feels so very addictive to play with the extra keycaps. I have customized based on my personal preference, and I think you will really enjoy playing with these keycaps. Okay, this is a 104 key keyboard along with a knob. The knob or the dial is a multifunctional one. We can select between volume, screen brightness, keyboard brightness, media control, and scroll or zoom option on the application. The knob has its own ring RGB. Dialing toward left or right provides haptic feedback, and there is a very smooth friction, which enhances user experience. It's great that Spigen has chosen flagship Cherry MX Brown with RGB. Brown mechanical switches provides a very good tactile feedback and at the same time minimizes the sound to something nice and soothing. Spigen guarantees 100 million keystrokes, which is way better than other brands. From my real-life experience, it really works perfectly fine. There is a 2mm pre-travel along with another 2mm travel, so 4mm total travel is satisfying and 55 cm operating force makes it perfect. The keycaps are PBT double shot. Spigen hasn't compromised on the build quality. Let's listen to the keystrokes. It's truly satisfying. Well, the keystrokes sounds very nice because there is a premium PU foam which absorbs the sound and gives it a soft vibe. There are different RGB options. Yeah, all the keys are customizable. Each of the keys got its own LED and there are some built-in preset on the application. You may choose static or dynamic RGB effects. Oh yeah, there is a RGB ring light around the base of the keyboard which makes it much more appealing. I'm not gonna turn this video into a tutorial by showing how to change the lights or the buttons. I just wanna let you know that on the application, yeah, the name of the application is Hive. There are 5 different tabs where we can select polling rate, assign keys, change LED colors, set macros, and finally do all the settings along with firmware upgrade. What is so unique about this Spigen ArcPLAY mechanical gaming keyboard is its dynamic pipeline technology. This helps the keyboard to run fast by handling every process efficiently and effectively. Truly, if you have watched my previous videos, I wasn't a Windows user. I still ain't a gamer, but I have transformed my working desk, my workflow, from Mac to PC. I used to have a Mac Mini, but now I have a i9 mini PC only because of ArcPLAY mechanical keyboard. I cannot stop using this keyboard. The vibrant outlook and appearance, soothing keystrokes, and finally super fast response rate, I have to agree. I'm convinced Spigen has manufactured a monster. This is an industrial masterpiece for those who knows what they want from their keyboards. While it comes down to playing games, I think I don't have to prolong this video by saying the same thing again and again. It performs like a monster, and you need to experience it by yourself. The real-life performance of this ArcPLAY mechanical gaming keyboard is way better than its competitors. Kudos to Spigen. Well, I have left a link of this product in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead check the product. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.